Hi, everybody. We have a couple discussion boards in our course that will require a video. So there's a couple ways you can do that. You can simply, after you locate your video, simply copy and paste the URL into your discussion board posting. But there's a little bit better way to do that where we can all view your video right within your discussion board. So I want to show you that real quickly. So when we have a discussion board assignment, simply go over to our left menu, click on discussion board, find the appropriate week we're in. So for this example, I'll just use discussion board number 1. Click on that. Create thread. That's when you want to put in your initial response to the prompt question that I will offer within the discussion board. Simply create thread, click on create thread. You always have to supply a subject. So we'll just call this video DB1. And when you want to post a video, place the cursor inside the text box of the video, of the discussion board rather. You'll see there's 2 icons right here. This is for including a video within your discussion board posting, and this is for including an image or a photo within your discussion board posting. We want to include a video within our discussion board posting, so simply click on this icon. You must already have your URL, so you do want to copy the URL. You simply come up to right here where it says URL, and as you can see, I have many of them already inputted throughout our course, but I'll just pick one for our example. Place it right there. You'll see the video come up. Sometimes you'll see it come up as just a blank yellow screen. That's okay too. All right, that will work as well. Go down to our okay. The view of me in the recording was covering up the next button we needed. So after you post your video, again, most of the time you won't see it come up like this. You will see it come up as a blank yellow screen. Again, that's okay. Click Insert. Now, here's that blank yellow screen I'm talking about. It's in your discussion board posting. So you can leave it there in the left corner. You can center it if you want to. You'll see your cursor flashing at you on the side of the right side of the video. Just simply hit enter, select the font you want, and you can write anything you want underneath your video. When you're done, simply click submit. And here is my DB1 with the video posted. We'll click on it just to look, and sure enough, there's my video within my DB posting and some words that I put underneath. Of course, you'll have to offer an explanation as provided within the directions for that particular discussion board. You always do want to go back into it after you select submit to make sure the video is good. Sometimes it will come up that the video won't take. You'll have to go back in, as I described earlier, and delete that one that was posted and offer the video again. Okay. Sometimes when you click on a video, you can see video, copy video URL, and you just copied it. Okay. It's down on your cursor. Sometimes that method doesn't work. And when you start to play the video within YouTube, you'll actually have to go up to the URL and copy the entire URL that way and post that within the discussion board to post your video. Why one works and one doesn't, sometimes I can't explain it, but that's why you need to go back in and check that your video actually took. Okay? Any questions about this? Feel free to ask me. Okay? Send me an email.